It's like so close. Let me see your nose. Go. Go. His nose looks huge.
Oh, you left it open?
Oh no, he's in there. He's in there. I was scared for a moment. Here, look. Play with it. This one's adorable. Is this Danielle's?
Mm-hmm.
It's so orangey.
Hi, baby, hi. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that poo.
Don't eat that poo. It's hard.
I can't see. Yeah, look at the poo.
Oh! That's so cute.
It's like making ideas.